The power of "thank you so much" in accepting help. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of English politeness and etiquette. Specifically, we're focusing on how to accept help graciously, and we'll hone in on the phrase, "thank you so much." Why is it important? How can you use it effectively? Let's find out. Thank you is a phrase you probably already know. It's the basic way to express gratitude in English. But when we add "so much" to the end, we're amplifying that gratitude. Thank you so much suggests a deeper level of appreciation. It's like adding an exclamation mark to your gratitude. When should you use this phrase? Here are some scenarios. 1. Someone goes out of their way to help you. If a stranger returns your lost wallet or a friend helps you move to a new apartment, their effort was significant. This phrase acknowledges that. 2. Receiving unexpected help. Maybe you were struggling to carry your groceries and someone offered assistance. A "thank you so much" shows that you value their kindness. 3. In response to emotional support. If someone lends you an ear during tough times or provides valuable advice, this phrase can be your heartfelt response. It's not just about the words, it's about how you say them. When saying, "thank you so much," maintain eye contact, if culturally appropriate, offer a genuine smile, and use a sincere tone. Your tone and body language can enhance the sincerity of your words. While "thank you so much" is a popular phrase, there are other variations you can use to convey deep gratitude. 1. Thanks a ton, a casual way of expressing the same sentiment. 2. I can't thank you enough. This is used when the favor or help was exceptionally meaningful or timely. 3. I really appreciate your help. A direct way to acknowledge someone's assistance. So there you have it. Thank you so much is more than just words. It's a reflection of your appreciation and a powerful tool in building strong relationships in English-speaking cultures. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. We hope this lesson helps you deepen your connections and navigate social situations with grace. Happy learning, and as always, thank you so much for joining us.